All right, solve for x. So again, we could have used algebra tiles for these, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to go ahead and solve these algebraically. So first thing I think I want to do is get these four x's to go away on this side. So I need to add four negative x tiles to both sides, right? You have to do it to both sides of the equation, Matt. So those are zero pairs. They will go away. I'm left with just three. And over here, I've got 7x tiles and 4 negative x tiles, so I'm left with just 3 x tiles. Okay, now I need to eliminate these negative unit tiles, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. These zero pairs will go away, and I'm left with just 3x. And over here, 3 plus 3 is 6. Divide both sides by 3. And I'm left with x equals 2. Okay. All right, B. First thing I'm going to do is get this out of the negative region. Okay, so this 2x becomes a negative 2x when I flip and move. This becomes a negative 4. Nothing changed on the left. Okay. All right. I want to get rid of these two negative tiles, negative x tiles. Add them to both sides. Zero pairs go away. I have a negative x tile and two positive, so I'm left with just one positive x tile. I still have those. Over here I have negative 4 still. Right. I want to get rid of this, so add 2. Zero pairs go away. I'm left with just x equals negative 2. All right, let's take a look at C. I want to get the stuff in the negative region, right, out of there. So we have x squared. This becomes a negative x. That becomes a negative 2. Negative 2x. Negative 2. All right, now, what can we do? Well, I have an x squared on this side and an x squared on this side. I can just eliminate those, okay, from both sides, just move them. Goodbye. Or we could just add a negative x squared tile to both sides if you want to think about it that way, which will eliminate those. Okay, let me change a setting here. So now I'm left with negative x minus 2. Negative 2x minus 2. These got eliminated. So now I think what I want to do is get rid of these two negative x tiles. Those will go away. Over here, I'm left with just one positive x tile. I have negative 2. I'm going to add 2. These will be eliminated. I'm left with just x equals, 0. That is a valid solution, x equals 0. It's not no solution, it's 0. 0 and no solution are two different answers. If I plug 0 in here, it works, right? 0 minus 0 plus 2 is equal to 0 squared minus 0 plus 2. Okay, it works in the equation. The answer is not no solution. All right, this last problem. Need to move these into the positive region by changing all the signs. So negative y and a positive 2. Now I'm going to combine like terms over here. 3y minus y is 2y. Negative 3 plus 2, negative 1. I'm going to add 1 tile, or add 1 to both sides. Zero pairs go away. That's 8. Divide both sides by 2. Eight divided by 2 is 4. And we are done.